Mango curry. Sounds very exotic, right? Yes, this is one of the exotic curries of the South Indian cuisine. This is a very seasonal dish and a favorite to many people. Let's see how we can prepare this exotic curry in two ways. One is traditional stove top way and the other one is the air fryer way. Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Ish America Vantlu channel. Let's look into the recipe now. We need roasted sesame seed powder in this recipe. So for both the stove top and air fryer recipe, I am roasting these sesame seeds in the air fryer. Place the sesame seeds in the air fry tray, cover them with a mesh plate and air fry them at 300 degrees for about 4 to 5 minutes. You get very crispy air fried sesame seeds by the time the timer is done. Let the sesame seeds cool down totally and then grind them to a fine powder using a mixer grinder. We would need this sesame seed powder in the later part of the curry preparation. So let's keep it aside. Now let's prepare the mango for the curry. For the mango curry, we need to choose a mango which is very raw. Clean and peel the mango and then slice into 1-inch cubes. This is a very old recipe, my mom's favorite recipe. She loves mango curry so much and I learned it from her. Now dice the onion also into 1/2-inch pieces. Heat a pan, add oil and make tempering by adding mustard seeds, cumin seeds, urad dal and turmeric powder into the hot oil. Once the tempering is done, add in the diced onions and curry leaves and mix well together. Add desired amount of salt and red chili powder to this onions mix and saute them until they become soft. Once the onion pieces have become soft, add in the mango pieces. Mix well and make sure the mango pieces are coated well with all the masala and add little water and then cover the pan with a lid and let the mango cook. You need to remember that mango cooks very fast. It doesn't need lot of water and it doesn't need lot of time to cook. So if you do not keep a watch over it, the mango will become mushy. Within about 5 minutes, the mango is all cooked. Now you remember we put the sesame seed powder aside, so sprinkle the sesame seed powder onto the curry, mix well and then you can garnish it with coriander leaves also, cilantro, and then switch off the flame. You need to remember we have to cook all this curry on a very medium low flame. If you think the mangoes are very sour, you could always add a little bit of jaggery or sugar into it, and that is totally optional. See how easily and within no time we have made this yummy, gorgeous looking mango curry. Voila! Our mango curry is so ready to be served. Now let's see how we can make the same curry in the air fryer. Preparing raw mango curry in an air fryer is a very easy method. I took the diced raw mango pieces and diced onion, put them into the air fryer tray. I sprinkled desired amount of salt and red chili powder and a very little bit amount of oil, and then I mixed them thoroughly and put them into the air fryer and air fried them for about 5 minutes at 400 degrees. Now let's check it out after 5 minutes. Wow, look how well cooked the mango and onion pieces are. Give it a quick stir and then transfer it into a bowl. You can see how well the mango is cooked in just 5 minutes. Now I am transferring this mango mix into a bowl and then I will add the sesame seed powder which I have kept aside before. Mix in the sesame seed powder well and then garnish it with little cilantro. You might think the curry is looking very dry, right? There's one more thing we need to do. So we need to pour a little bit of hot water into this curry and then mix well. That's all. Our curry is ready to go. This yummy curry goes really well with quinoa, rice, roti or puri. You can even eat it with a side of crunchy toasted bread. Hope you all make it in your own preferred way and enjoy this yummy curry. Friends, please do like, share my recipe to your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive the notifications of my future videos. Thank you.